Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Imagine a world where innovation knows no bounds. This is what the future holds, and it's what I'm here to talk about today. I'm Santos Fraustro Solís, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to my book, Innovación Sin Límites, Manual para la Creatividad y el Futuro Tecnológico. This isn't just another technical manual, it's a passionate invitation to dream, create, and innovate. In this book, I've broken down advanced concepts in a clear, enthusiastic, and practical way. Whether you're a curious student or a visionary investor, you'll find something to ignite your creativity. Now let's talk about one of the standout projects featured in my book, the Remote Control and Intelligent Maintenance Platform. This groundbreaking system uses microcontrollers, sensors, and cameras to revolutionize how we monitor and maintain machinery. Imagine being able to supervise engines and critical components remotely, get automated diagnostics and preventive alerts, and view real-time data via a mobile app or augmented reality glasses. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now. And that's just the beginning. Dive deeper in Chapter 1, where I explore the role of artificial intelligence in the automotive industry. From the early days of driver assist systems to today's autonomous vehicles, AI has transformed how we drive. Looking ahead, AI promises even more. Think fully autonomous urban driving, personalized virtual assistants, and intelligent traffic systems. The future is bright, and it's just a page away. So, are you ready to revolutionize the future with limitless innovation? Listen to the full chapter on Google Play Books. And if you prefer reading, grab the book or ebook on Amazon. This is just a preview. The complete audiobook will be available soon on Google Play Books. The physical and digital versions are already on Amazon. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the future. Let's innovate together. Authoring Santos Fraustro Solís.